From Shadow's heroes where empires fall, a name that echoes through history's hall. Leader, dreamer, time will tell. His legacy casts a timeless spell. Today, we pull back the veil on a forgotten era. Join us as we pierce the mist of time to uncover the soul of Taiwan.
Welcome back to the vlog. We are currently on our day 3 here in Taipei, Taiwan. So yeah, right now I'm just scouting around Taipei. I left my wife at the hotel just to look around and see what I can find. I actually did a first ever bus ride just to test it out, so I can be ready as we go do on a bus ride later. So yeah, I think it's time to go back to the hotel and maybe look. And maybe try to explore some stuff along the way. Let's go.
As we went back to the hotel, we got ready, packed our bags, and head off to one of Taipei's iconic memorials, Chiang Kai-shek.
We are here on our next destination. We are currently here at the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Yeah, Shek. No, Chiang Kai-shek. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. And yeah, it's not really far from our hotel. It was just a 15-minute bus ride. We had a stall ongoing here because it was raining hard earlier. Well, it's still very cloudy, but look at that. Oh wow, amazing. That's a very massive building as we're seeing now. It's currently raining, so we're going to put on our raincoats, and yeah, so yeah, we're just going to get our raincoats and umbrella, so as we continue our journey here at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. We are here in the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Look at that. This building. I always see this in some travel vlogs, but man, seeing it personally is like, it's not giving it justice. You need to be here just to appreciate the architecture and the work of art of this building. So we are currently here in the side part of the memorial hall, and we are still going to go at the front. So let's go. Okay, so we are now here at the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Oh my gosh, look at this in the front. It's so amazing. The architecture, stairs, everything's so amazing here. Look at this, even the front entrance. Very majestic and very spacious and very peaceful. You can hear the birds chirping all around. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, probably we're going to go up there in a few, but before that, check out the scenery here in Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
Rising from the heart of Taipei, The Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall is a masterclass in symbolism. Its pristine white marble walls and the deep sapphire roof tiles mirror the colors of the national flag, while the octagonal shape of the structure evokes the number 8, a traditional symbol of fortune and completion. Every angle is intentional, designed to command the horizon. 89 steps lead the way to the main hall, each one marking a year in the life of the man who shaped Taiwan's modern trajectory. Inside, beneath an intricately carved ceiling, the bronze statue of Chiang Kai-shek sits in his perpetual watch. It is the space of heavy silence, where the weight of the 20th century feels etched in the very stone. So that was Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. As you can see, I didn't vlog on that part because it might get noisy. It was a really silent there. So we are now here at the exhibition room of the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, but I guess it's under construction. Let's see. Let's go. Okay, so we are now finished with the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So we just got out of the first floor of the exhibition area. Currently, the exhibition area is under construction, so we didn't have the time to go around. Now we are gonna go forward to see the temple here and see what we can find. Anyway, enjoy the sceneries of Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. So we are now at the garden part of the memorial, and we are going to find this because we saw on the map that there is a bridge under the pond. Is that a pond or a river? But anyway, it's a pond. Okay, that's a pond. Yeah, and we're gonna go there and take a picture and some video. So just a correction, it's over the pond. I'm sorry, because you know, oh, look at that, I can see the pond now. Wow, very calming. Look at that. So beautiful. The pond is beautiful. Want to see it? Check it out. Okay, so you can see here in my back, that is one of the temples here in the memorial hall, but I'm not sure what it's called. Maybe later I'm just going to note this at the edit, or probably I'm gonna research it and then like maybe say it to you later. But now look at the sun. We need to go to the center to get a good shot of that center. So let's go. Passing the crimson pillars and golden sweeps of the National Theater, the landscape opens into the immense expanse of Liberty Square. It is here the memorial emerges as a towering octagonal silhouette that anchors the spirit of the entire district, standing like a silent guardian at the edge of the plaza. It overlooks a stone expanse that has become the heartbeat of a people. Once a site of solemn authority, this square has been reclaimed as a vibrant stage for democracy. It is here, between the towering gates and the monument's shadow, the weight of history meets the pulsing freedom of the future.
Okay, so we are now at the center of the memorial hall, and look at that. Oh my gosh. Very spacious, very many things to see. There you go. And look at that. Oh wow, even this, look at the entrance. That is very majestic. Oh my gosh. gosh. So, wow. Taiwan is definitely amazing. All of its architecture and all its culture. Wow. It's fun to be here and learn about their history. So, I really do recommend you guys to visit Taiwan if you have the time.
We didn't spend the whole afternoon in the memorial, so as the night came near, we headed back to ximending.
Okay, so we are now back here at ximending, and yeah, we are just finished early on exploring, but there's so much still to explore here in ximending. So yeah, let's find stuff where we can eat and where we can do stuff. Let's go. Guys, we are here in ximending and we are here at Tonkatsu. I'm not sure what the real name of the restaurant is, but here is our food for today. We have this teriyaki chicken. I don't know what this is, a katsudon? Yeah, this is a katsudon. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna try their food now. This is the chicken teriyaki. So let's try it. By the way, this is unlimited rice, both of them. I'm not sure if this is unlimited though, the drinks. Let's try it. This is good, this is well marinated. Savory. I'm not sure if this is teriyaki, it's like just grilled chicken. So it's not teriyaki. Sorry for that, it's not teriyaki. It's definitely miso soup. Oh, this is not miso soup. Yeah, it smells like miso soup. Miso soup. Okay. So this is the chicken barbecue. Let's try the chicken, the tonkatsu, the katsudon. Look at how well breaded the part is. Amazing. Let's try it. It is actually good. Very tasty. And I love the sauce and the breading itself. Well breaded. Very nice. Good. I do recommend that you eat here because, first of all, if you're a Filipino, you're gonna love rice. And the food here is quality. So I think this one is 210 Taiwan dollars and this one is 250. And it's so good. Okay, so that was tonkatsu here along ximending, and yeah, that's definitely one of the must-tries here in ximending. I like the quality of their katsu. So right now we are still circling around here in ximending to see what we can find.
Baby, we could try again. We could try again. Come back again. I don't wanna play no game. Maybe you should come back. We could try again.
Finally, the street food that I am dying to eat. Wagyu cubes. So I'm not sure if this is real Wagyu or maybe just the beef cube. The way they call it, the beef steak. So I love it. So let's try it. This is the roast salt flavor. It's around 200 Taiwan dollars. So. Wow. Very juicy. Tender beefy. Wow. The flavor. I love it. This is good. Yeah. Definitely a must try here. And ximending. I think it's just in the back of the ABC Mart, so can't miss it. Shut up. So as you can see, it's another day. So we're gonna end the vlog for day 3. Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog for day 3. I hope it was a short but fun experience with the vlog, especially looking at the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Now we are going to the next destination for today, but we're going to wait for another vlog for that. So guys, thank you guys for watching and see you guys on another vlog. See ya.